Hey there! Welcome to this session on Azure OpenAI powered Digital Human. My name is Liji Thomas and I'm a manager within Data and AI team at Valorem Reply. I've been in the AI space for several years now, and never have I been more excited to be so as in this year. Generative AI has opened a whole new world of possibilities that we continue to explore and uncover every single day. Today, I want to share with you one such application that we've been exploring at Reply, a generative AI-powered digital human. Let me break that for you. First, digital humans. You may be familiar with the concept of digital humans. They are 3D computer-generated versions of us. They move, they behave, and they interact just like real people, but within a digital realm. Now, digital humans are not a novel concept. For years, they have graced our screens, taking the form of avatars in video games or lifelike characters in movies. But thanks to the advancements in technology, their realism has continuously evolved. Their potential to bridge the divide between reality and virtuality ranges from entertainment to education and beyond. And then we have generative AI. 2023 has been a landmark year for this technology. The potential of generative AI has unfolded in numerous ways. Generative AI, for those who might be new to the term, is a dynamic subfield within artificial intelligence. Its primary goal is to generate content, be it text, images, music, or even intricate patterns. And all of this is made possible through the power of advanced machine learning algorithms. It's not just about mimicking or replicating existing content. It's about creating something novel. From crafting compelling narratives using natural language generation to creating lifelike images from scratch, generative AI is truly propelling us into the future of AI-driven creativity and innovation. Now, what if we could bring together these two technologies? On one hand, we have generative AI, which, as we discussed, refers to algorithms designed to generate something new. It can be text, images, or music. And then we have digital humans, which are essentially realistic, human-like entities created and animated using digital technology. When we marry these two groundbreaking technologies, something extraordinary happens. Can you imagine a world where technology is not just smart, but also empathetic, intuitive, and virtually alive? Let me explain. Imagine a virtual companion so lifelike and intuitive that it not only understands your needs, but can adapt its responses and actions, tailored specifically for your objectives. This isn't just about providing answers, but about creating a rich and immersive, and most importantly, personalized journey for every individual. What if we could create digital entities, craft lifelike virtual companions meticulously tailored to specific roles and functions? Maybe a personalized tutor for a student or a virtual tour guide for multilingual groups. We're not just talking about an incremental improvement, but a paradigm shift. Here's why. Let's look at this from the user's perspective. According to research, more than half of communication is about body language. But existing technology does not account for the importance of these nonverbal cues in human interaction. As the world becomes increasingly dispersed with remote work and digitalization, the growing lack of personal touch in digital interactions can lead to reduced user engagement, trust, and understanding. A less than optimal experience for users and businesses. Digital humans come with the ability to not just converse, but to emote, gesture, and modulate tone authentically, creating a memorable interaction for their users. Couple that with the added benefits of generative AI, the ability to hold an intelligent conversation. Beyond its obvious benefits of being available and accessible, research has shown that humans feel less judged when it comes to digital experiences. Imagine the impact that could have on patient outcomes or new employees if they feel unrestricted in asking questions and sharing information about themselves. From a business perspective, all companies want to give their customers rich and engaging experiences. That's one of the most effective ways to create and sustain competitive advantage and grow lifetime customer value. The challenge is to offer those experiences at scale without depersonalizing or commodifying them. Throwing people at the problem becomes expensive very quickly and becomes even more challenging if you're facing a skills shortage. After all, humans can't be at two places at the same time. But rapid progress in 3D design coupled with advances in generative AI is now opening new possibilities with digital humans. When deployed at scale, these generative AI-powered digital humans will radically change the business landscape. They may not be as capable or versatile as humans, but they have clear advantages when it comes to cost, personalization, and scalability. Now, what if we could harness the power of generative AI to create a digital brand ambassador or customer experience assistant that truly resonates with users at an individual level? This is why we built 𝗦𝗽𝗲𝗀𝗍𝗍. 𝗦𝗽 means future in Japanese, and we believe that it represents the next frontier in personalized experiences. 𝗦𝗽𝗲 isn't just a digital figure. It's powered by Azure OpenAI. It embodies the very essence of a dynamic and responsive brand ambassador, reacting in real time to users, ensuring they feel seen, heard, and valued. Brands seek to create lasting impressions and forge genuine connections. 𝗦𝗽𝗲𝗀 takes this to the next level. From an initial hackathon idea at 𝗦𝗫𝗫, 𝗦𝗽𝗲𝗀 has now evolved thanks to the capabilities of Azure OpenAI. Here are a few features. Avatar customization. We can completely customize the avatar to suit the personality of the brand. We can synthesize the voice using artificial neural voices. It can answer questions and the responses are backed by citations. It provides specific tasks like simplification. Explain that to me like I'm 5. It can summarize answers for you. It does reasoning. It is aware of context, keeps track of your history. It can respond to you using text and voice in a language of your choice. 𝗦𝗽𝗲𝗀 is based on RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation architectural pattern. This pattern enhances large language models like ChatGPT. It integrates an information retrieval system, supplying essential data to the model. This addition allows precise control over the data that the LLM uses to create responses. In enterprise solutions, RAG focuses natural language processing on specific enterprise content. This content can come from various sources like documents, images, audio, or video. At a high level, we start with a user request or question. We send it to the cognitive search to find relevant information, send the top-ranked search results to the LLM, and then use natural language understanding and reasoning capabilities of the LLM to generate a response to the initial prompt. In our case, the digital human serves as the user interface, handling presentation, context, and user interaction. User questions or prompts initiate the process. Inputs are sent to the integration layer, which first sends them to information retrieval for search results and also to the LLM for context and intent. The app server or orchestrator coordinates the communication between information retrieval and LLM. The information retrieval system provides the searchable index, query logic, and query response. The LLM receives the original prompt and the cognitive search results, formulates a response which is then sent back to the user. Here's a short demo of a solution we built in partnership with one of our network companies, Infinity Reply.
The Northwind Health Plus plan is a comprehensive health plan that provides coverage for medical, vision, and dental services. It also includes prescription drug coverage, mental health and substance abuse coverage, and coverage for preventive care services. The plan allows you to choose from a variety of in-network providers, including primary care physicians, specialists, hospitals, and pharmacies. It also offers coverage for emergency services, both in-network and out-of-network.
Digital humans are already used in many areas. In customer service, they answer questions and help customers. In healthcare, they give patients information and support. In education and HR, they make learning online more personal and interesting. In marketing, they help create a strong and relatable brand image. With the amplification and intelligence of generative AI, these applications provide even more value to the users and the brands they represent. That said, the creation of generative AI-powered digital humans must be guided by responsible AI principles to ensure ethical and equitable outcomes. Microsoft provides a framework of 6 ethical guidelines for this purpose. Fairness. When creating digital humans, developers ensure they represent diversity in demographics, preventing biases. Reliability and safety. Developers rigorously test digital humans to ensure that they function reliably. In a healthcare setting, for example, a digital human should provide accurate healthcare information and guidance to patients. Privacy and security. Digital humans in banking should ensure transactions and customer details are secure. Inclusiveness. Digital humans can be designed to communicate in multiple languages and understand various cultures, making them accessible to a broader audience. In education, this could mean a digital tutor who caters to diverse learning needs and backgrounds. Transparency. Digital humans should be created to clearly express that they are AI-driven entities. Accountability. Creators of digital humans should take responsibility for their actions and behaviors. While generative AI is just a spark in what some are already calling the next frontier of business, it doesn't have to be an overwhelming and lengthy task to start using these technologies to grow and improve your business. Valorem Reply specializes in meeting our customers where they are on their digitalization or cloud journey. Whether you're just exploring use cases, evaluating your security and infrastructure readiness for AI, or are ready to build an intelligent application, we have the experience and expertise to help you do so quickly, efficiently, and aligned to your business outcomes. We find for a lot of our customers, it's easy to get started with a quick consultation with our AI experts to cut through the noise and prioritize realistic and impactful use cases specific to your business. Thank you for watching our Ignite 2023 session. We are very excited for the future and helping businesses do even more with less with generative AI. Be sure to visit the Reply Partner Showcase page to see all the exciting work our organization is doing in generative AI across the world. From exciting new Copilot integrations to customer Copilot and intelligent application design, we are helping customers innovate with AI every day. Also look for our session, The Best Copilot is Your Copilot, in your Ignite catalog and add it to your schedule. Our Reply colleagues will be talking about how you can combine M365 and Power Platform Copilot to create your own personalized Copilot to streamline tasks, enhance decision-making, and unlock new possibilities.